Welcome to Global Freelancer Academy. Hello friends, let's start today. How are you? I think you are very fine. We will discuss about the top 7 freelance skill in 2025. In- Do we want to start freelancing in 2025 or you already have started or increase your income? Then you need to know which freelance skills will be in the highest demand next year. That means in this year. In this video, I will share the top 7 freelance skills in 2025 that can help you and high paying project from global clients. Video overview. In today's video, we will learn the 7 most in demand freelance skill in 2025. What a skill is and why it is demanded. How you can get started with this skill. So this video is very important. So watch until the end to choose the best skill for your freelancing journey. Now we will discuss. We will tell the name of the free 10 7 skills. 7 top 7 skills. Number one, AI prompt engineering. Number two, SEO plus AI content optimization. Number three, video editing and motion graphics. Number four, social media management with ads. Number five, web development with AI tools. Number six, cybersecurity for small businesses. Number seven, data analysis and visualization. Now let's will discuss about is its skills. Number one, AI prompt engineering. What is it? Creating effective prompts or instruction for AI tools to produce the desired result. Why it is demandable? AI is being used in almost every industry and campaigns need prompt experts to get the best output. How to start? Practice with the free AI tools like ChatGPT, Midjourney, and take a specialized prompt engineering course. You can get it from YouTube and any other platform. Number two, SEO plus AI content optimization. What is it? Making AI generated content better so it follows Google's rule and rank higher. Why it is demandable? In 2025, optimized AI content is dominating search ranking. Okay, I think you understand why it is very important. How to start? Learn SEO basics. Then use tools like Surfer SEO, Neuron Writer, or Phrase to optimize AI content. And there are a lot of tools you can get as you like on. Number three, video editing and motion graphics. What is it? Cutting, color grading, adding animation, adjusting sound, and visual effects to videos. Why it is demandable? Video content is growing fast across all platforms. How to start? Learn tools like CapCut, Premiere Pro, and After Effects. And there also are many tools. Create demo videos to showcase your skills. Social media management with ads. What is it? Managing social media accounts while also running paid ads. Why it is demandable? Business want to increase sales through social platform. How to start? Learn from Facebook Blueprint and Google Skillshop and practice running small ad campaigns. Web development with AI tools. What is it? Creating website quickly using AI website builders. Before this time, when most of the freelancer or most of the web developer use coding, then it was very time killing matter. Why it is demandable? Saves time and money for clients. How to start? Practice with Wix, WordPress, and Webflow AI feature. Now we will discuss about cybersecurity for a small business. What is it? Protecting data, preventing hacking, and conducting security audits. It is. What is it? I have discussed it. Cybersecurity at increasing daily, even on small businesses. So it is very demandable. How to start? Learn Conf TIA security plus basics. Practice with security software and offer audits. If you do not know the name of the software or tools, then you will find it from ChatGPT and learn the features of each. Then you will get data analysis and video visualization. What is it? Analyzing data and presenting it in charts and dashboards. Why it is demandable? Data driven decisions are critical for business growth. How to start? Learn Excel, Google Data Studio, and Power BI to create professional reports. Conclusion. These are the top 7 freelance skills in 2025. Which one of you do you want to learn first? Let me know in the comments. If you found this video helpful, hit like, subscribe, and share it with other freelancers. Thank you for watching, and you are welcome for the next video.